If you're trying to open the Roblox app but it's not loading, it's not working, or maybe it's lagging, then stick around because I'll show you a couple of solutions for this problem. But before we start with the video, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials. I'm currently in the Roblox app, so what if it's not responding to my touch or it's freezing? I can try and restart the app, so I'll swipe to open my app switcher, then swipe on the Roblox app to close it completely, and you can try reopening it. Fix number 2 is to check if you have a fast and stable internet connection on your phone. If you're using your mobile data, then try turning it off and find a good Wi-Fi connection, or vice versa. Maybe you have Wi-Fi enabled, but it's not fast enough. So turn off Wi-Fi, connect to your mobile data, and then try and open Roblox to see if it's working. You can also check your internet speed by opening a website called speedtest.net, and you can measure the speed and the quality of your internet here. If you have a download speed of only 1 or 2 megabytes or even less, then the issue might be your internet. So try and fix that. If you've measured your connection and it's good, then we'll open our Settings app and then hop over to the General section. After that, I'm going to open this iPhone Storage section, which is going to open a list of all the different apps which we have installed on our device. Since we're having issues with the Roblox app, I'm going to open that, and then these two options will appear. Let's click on Offload App, and this step is going to delete the cache files, the bugs, and all of the unnecessary data which our Roblox app may have. That data and corrupted files can build up over time and cause a lot of issues with your app, and those files can prevent the app from loading or working properly. When the app offloads, just tap on Reinstall App and wait a couple of seconds. Don't worry, this step won't remove your login information and passwords. It's just going to refresh the app and update it to the latest version. So when Roblox finishes reinstalling, just try and open it and tell me if this specific step worked for you. The last thing which you can try to solve this problem, if none of the previous 3 worked for you, is to restart your mobile phone. To do that, open your control center, find this little power button which should be located at the top right, long press on it, and the power off screen should appear for you. Slide to power off, wait a couple of seconds, and then press your power button and wait for the phone to turn back on. Thanks a lot for watching this video, everyone, and I hope this one helped you out.